In my previous video, a lot of you requested I make a step-by-step guide on how you can actually write billionaire romance story. And in today's video, that is exactly what we're going to be doing. So before I even get started, let me share good news with you guys. Did you see this? Did you see this? This is another proof that this works. If you are procrastinating on starting, go and start now. I'm still doubting that if this works or not, give it a try. You're not going to be investing any money in this. Just give it a try. If it works hard for you, good. If it doesn't work hard for you, try to improve your writing, because they will always tell you why they don't accept your story. So that is that for that. Now let me show you exactly how you can actually write a billionaire romance story with Claude AI. Let's go. So first thing first, before you even start writing your story, you need to actually understand that your trope is very, very important. Even picking your trope is going to help you to strategize the story idea you want to write. Like your story idea. So there are two ways you can actually know what's best selling tropes. It's either you go on the platform that you want to submit your story on. It doesn't matter if you choose one platform to check the tropes. As far as this trope is working best on this particular platform, automatically it's going to be accepted on other platform as well. You get my point. So go to popular books under a particular genre that you want to write. For instance, if you want to write a werewolf story, go on that werewolf story and pick the popular ones. You are going to click on it. You are going to see the tropes on top beside the synopsis. You get my point. Now, the second way you can actually get your tropes is asking ChatGPT to give you all the best selling tropes on any platform that you want to submit your story on. Just input the prompt and ChatGPT is going to generate different tropes. Now, once you get your tropes, you have to combine not just one, you have to combine like 5, 6, 7 tropes together. You combine them and it's going to help you to strategize the type of story idea you want to actually write about, because your trope is very, very important. So that is what I usually focus on first before you even start writing your story. So the next thing now is to generate your story idea. If you have any story in mind, you have any story idea in mind but you've not written it, you just want to narrate it, you can narrate it on ChatGPT. You use the voice record option, narrate it, and it's going to help you transcribe it and send. But if you don't have any idea, just combine the tropes you've generated earlier and ask ChatGPT to develop a story idea around that particular tropes. You get. Now you've done that, you've generated your story idea. Now copy the story idea. The reason why I use ChatGPT to generate your story idea is because ChatGPT is good at idea generation, but Claude AI is good when it comes to writing of story, or when it comes to writing in general. You copy your story idea and head over to Claude AI. Let's go. So the next thing you're going to do is to paste your story idea prompt into Claude AI. And mind you, I usually had my own personal prompts, like my own strategy of building my story, so I can get in longer chapters up to like 200k word. You get my point. If you want that, so I'm going to drop the link in the description box for you to get access to it. But if you don't want it, all you have to do is just to paste your story idea and tell Claude AI to help you develop your story, and it's going to automatically help you to develop that particular story. You are going to create your story outline, because you're going to be submitting your story outline first, even before you start uploading your chapters, if you want to apply for contract. Okay, now once Claude AI is done developing your story, it's not going to automatically start writing your chapters immediately. It's going to develop the story plots first before chapters. Okay, it depends on how you structure your prompts will determine the results Claude AI is going to give you. So once Claude AI is done developing your story plots and your outline and every single thing that you need, now we start by creating your first chapter. Now copy your first chapter and head over to Google Doc, because that is what I usually use, but you can also use anything else that you feel like you want to use. But personally, I use Google Doc because it's actually more safer. In case I miss, God forbid, I lost my phone, I can easily have access to it. Or maybe I'm not with my phone presently and then I'm with my laptop or any other phone, I can just log into my Google Doc and use it, since it's linked up with my mail. You get my point. So that is why I usually recommend Google Doc. Paste your first chapter into Google Doc and start with your editing. First and foremost, I usually say, okay, you should humanize it. But then if you humanize, you write with AI, humanize with AI, and you don't want to edit at all, they are not going to accept your story. So that is why it's very important to edit your story. So once you're done editing your story, copy your story and head over to Keyboard to check the authenticity of your work. the percent of AI in your work. So let me show you exactly how to do it. Head over to your Chrome browser and type in Qbots. Click on the very first link. It's going to bring you to this particular page. Now go back to your Google Doc and copy the edited chapter and come back to Keywords. Click on AI detector and paste your edited chapter there. Mind you, I didn't copy all the whole chapter. I only copied the aspects that I already edited. Click on AI detector and paste your edited work and wait for it to show you the result of the percent of AI that is in your work. Now as you can see, the percentage is 0% AI written. So that is exactly the results it should be showing. Now you already checked the authenticity of your work. The next thing to do now is to create your book cover. We are going to be using visualgpt to create our book cover. Now let's head over to ChatGPT to get prompts to create our book cover. I usually use ChatGPT to get prompts instead of Claude AI because ChatGPT is actually good with that. So I'm going to show you the prompts that Claude AI gave me, the result of the prompts and also the result of ChatGPT. Now copy the prompt and head over to visualgpt and paste it. So if you don't have an account with visualgpt, you have to create an account. So I'm going to drop the link in the description box and also in the comment section area. I'm going to pin it. Now before you click on generate, change your size ratio. It depends on what you want. Click on generate and hold on for a few seconds and it's going to generate your image. Now let's compare. Let me generate another image using Claude AI prompt. So you just follow the same process of requesting for book cover prompts and copy the prompts and paste in the prompt section area. Click on generate, change your ratio if needed, and this is the outcome of Claude AI prompts. So that is why I recommend using ChatGPT to generate your prompts and not using Claude AI. Okay, so if you're new here, you don't know the platform you want to apply to, these are the list of platforms you can actually apply to. You can apply on Lecture, you can apply on Good Novel, you can apply on iStory, you can apply on Novel Snack. Depends on the quality of your work. If you know you actually create your story yourself, you don't even use AI at all, go and apply on Letterlux. Letterlux is going to give you, but you write your story with like 50% AI, 50% human, but you edit it very well and you've checked the percentage of AI, it's 100%, 0% AI written. You can apply on letter loss as well too, so you can get non-exclusive contracts. Anyone, it depends on the quality of the story. So that is that about that. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. You can also join the WhatsApp group if you want to join. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box. See you in my next video. I do take care of yourself. Bye.